guys, it's your boy Corrupt Escape Gamer. Today I am going to show you how to make a template on Canva. And also guys, hit that like and subscribe button because I'm trying to get 1,000 subs to get some money from YouTube, and let's get into it. So first thing, you want to download the app called Canva. Well, Canva, yep. Press on templates. And then press on template, and then on there spell video. You want to go on the video, boom, type it in, bring you to this page, press create a blank video, and then once you get in, let it load. You get into this. It gets confusing because I never knew, and then you want to pick one. So I want to pick. I'm going to press this welcome to mine, and then soon it brings me to these pages, and I don't want that. I want to go on this and pick this one. Yeah. Now I want to press on adjust. You can turn your brightness to really bright, really dark, but I suggest normal. Construct you could do, I just do like this because it looks cooler. Fully look at that. Then I press on the plus button, press on then I press on this. First, let's get that out. I press on this, delete, on everything that's on the delete. Well, leave those X's, and only delete anything that I don't want on here. So now it looks like that. Oops, I want to delete. Then I'm going to press on this, duplicate 4 times. Duplicate, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, hold on, let me check. 1, 2, 3. No, one more time. Duplicate 4. Done. It's 4 of them. Actually, let me delete all of them. This one, delete. Now I have 1. I'm gonna go on timer. Oh yeah. Hold on. Well, let's do the first one. So I'm gonna press the plus button, and you'll go on design. Pick one. I'm gonna press on elements after pressing. Look. You see the plus button on the left side right next to add? Press that. Bring this. I'm on design. I want to press on elements below to go into elements, and I want to pick what I want to put. So subscribe. It's large. So I'm going to press onto. Hold on. I'm going to press onto it and make it smaller. There. Bruh. What the heck? Have to do it again. Subscribe. Make that a bit smaller. Put it on top there. And now, time to put my text on. Press on text. Add a text box. Your paragraph text. I'll write something. What should I write? Oh yeah. Subscribe for good editing. Subscribe for good editing. Like that. Then you could just shorten the timer. Press on the scissor or timer box, and then you could just shorten it. You could press on that scissor or timer box. So I want to put it to exactly 3 seconds. 3 seconds. Trimmed. For the editing. Okay, now I'm going to press on my text and press font size. I want to make it about 80 large. Exactly 80. Come on. That's my first one. I want to go to my second one by pressing this plus button. Well, no. By pressing on this and duplicate. Also the same screen. I'm going to delete everything I don't want on here. And then press on my plus button and go back on element and pick one I want. I want the like one next. So I'm going to make that a bit smaller on top. Press on like in text. No, hold on. Add a text box. And then pick one. Like for more videos. Like for more videos. Video. And I leave it like that. And then I can shorten it if I want. I can do anything I want. As long as I want it there. That's my one. And another one. Wait. Duplicate. And go back on this one. Delete everything. And press on the plus button again. Elements. And I'll put the notification bell on. Now since I put my notification bell a bit small there, think is that good? Yeah, it's your decision if you think that's good or not. It's your design if you want. Now since I put that, I'm gonna put my text again. Add a text box and I'll bring me my paragraph again. Press X so it brings it all the way to that, and then start writing what you want. That notification bell. Notification bell. Ooh. X N that notification bell and speed it a bit. I don't know why it's doing that. Shouldn't be doing or hit that notification bell. Leave it like that. Then I'm gonna press on. Oh my god. Okay, now this. Duplicate. Bring it to this one to delete. Down. With this next elements again. Wait, on to my fourth paragraph. Oh yeah, fourth paragraph. I want to put my logo on. You can put your logo on. You can put another one on. You can put another element or something. You can put anything on. But for me, I want to put. For me, I want to put my logo on. So what I'm going to do is press plus button. I'll go in gallery. Let them go to your gallery and then press this. And image. Oh yeah, I deleted everything to that space. So let me just go back on. Let me go back onto YouTube and get my profile picture on. As you saw on my gallery, that little electricity one you saw. as you guys saw that little electricity one you saw before, that's my template that I'm gonna use onto this video at the beginning. For now, I'm gonna get my logo, press on it. Wait, when you press on your channel, go into it, and it will bring you into your logo. And then take a screenshot. That's 2 screenshots. So now, let's go back to Canva. Go back on Canva. And then go press start image. I have 2. That's not. I need to delete one. I'll delete one. And then add to page. Once I got to page, it should show up. And I'm gonna like smoothen the background a bit, like try to close it. You can use CapCut to like leave that little, but then only the little bit of the background. Now since that's done, we go again and press animate. Apply to all pages. I'm gonna put Vice. See, it comes up to Vice. So now all of them should be Vice, Vice, Vice. Wait, what? No, I'm gonna delete this one. Delete. Now all of them should be Vice, but I don't want the last one to be Vice. I want the last one. I want to change my animate. You can keep them all the animate you want. Pick any animate you want. Check them all. But for me, I'm gonna swipe a bit and then pick stomp. And now I'm gonna put the whole video on. But it glitched all on, guys. Subscribe for more videos. Oh my god. Got apply to all pages. No. Swipe back. Vice. Now all of them should be Vice. This one should be Vice as well. Vice. Apply to all pages. No. And now press stomp. Now let's play it, guys. Now, on pause. It's sliding like that. See, hit that notification bell, and then my logo. But I don't want that. I want some music, so I'm gonna press on that again. Look for music. Music. Where's music? Oh look! Press on the list for button. Rubber. 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 There we go. Bro, where's the music? Let me see if music's on it. Duplicate. I don't hear any music, guys. Well, I don't see music. I think you have to do that. So you can search how to put music on your templates in Canva. But that'll be all for today, guys. So bye.